Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE6 Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. The Trike has 68,242 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this Trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 830 seconds, the front right at 830 seconds as well, and the rear tire at 530 seconds. We took this Trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that there is a presence of oil on the bottom of the frame towards the rear and the muffler. The seat shock won't hold the seat up, and there is a line through the display. We posted the service repair order for this Trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this Trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a wearing blemish on the nose plastics. This Trike has one key and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, an electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with LED strip lighting, aftermarket seats, and SPYDER grills and trim. This Trike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. The Trike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.